Welcome to the NPM Crash Course. In this course I'll explain to you what is NPM, how it is used and where it is used. NPM stands for node.js Package Manager, and it is installed when you install node.js on your computer. But it is used not only in the node.js backend applications, it is also used in many front-end applications, built for example with help of Vue.js, Angular or React. First step that I would like to ask you to do is to install node.js on your computer if it is not yet installed. Please navigate to node.js.org and go to the load section. Here you may find out that Node.js is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Please install corresponding version. By the way, please notice that at the top of the download section you may read that the latest LTS version is this one. In my case, you may see more recent version, and this version includes NPM. And the Node.js version is different from NPM version. LTS stands for Long-Term Support Version. So please go ahead and install Node.js. I will not do that because I already have Node.js installed on my computer. After installation, please open up any terminal. I'll go to iTerm2 on Mac and type here node-v. If you see specific version of the node, it means that Node.js is available on your computer. If you're a Windows user, you need probably reload your computer after installation of the Node.js. Next, please type npm-v. This command will print version of the npm that is also installed along with Node on your computer. Now let's create a new folder anywhere on your computer, and afterwards we will initialize it using npm. Let me cd to desktop and I'll create a new folder here with help of mk directory command, and let's name it tmp, and let's cd to this newly created folder. And now here let's type command npm init. Now of course this folder is empty. Let's enter this command and see what will happen. You see now that interactive process was started, and at the end of this process npm will create such file as package.json in the root of this directory, tmp directory in my case. And this file is in JSON format, as you may guess, and this file contains actually all instructions for npm. And here you are asked to enter package name. Let's leave it same as name of the folder, tmp. Version, let's keep it default 1.0.0. In the moment I'll explain to you what those numbers here mean and why they are separated by dots. So let's keep it by default 1.0.0. You could also add description of your project. Let me add my awesome project, like that. Entry point is index.js. Let's keep it unchanged. Let's don't enter test command, simply press enter. Git repository also press enter, keywords press enter as well, and author, you could add your name if you want to do so. I'll add mine, like that. License, if you want you could change type of the license. For now it will not affect anything, that's why let's keep it by default ISC, like that. Now you will be presented with JSON file that will be actually created in the package.json file here. And here you see contents of this file. For example, here on this line you see author that is set to my name. Also there is version and name of the application. I am happy with this file, that's why here I'll simply press enter, like that. And interactive process was just finished and I am back to the tmp folder.